Let me start by telling the President, Excellency, the President of this country, Tinubu, and Dr. Shetiman for giving me this opportunity. Not only me, for the FCT. This has never happened before, but this is a gesture by their own election, electing him as the president and the vice president. By no, they are the governor of FCT. And we are from FCT who also elected him. They extended this gesture to give the FCT a nomination to be part of the Federal Executive Council. I'm happy. People of FCT, they are happy. We are all happy. We are jubilating. We are happy. Our grandparents, our children will not forget what Tinubu have done to the people of FCT. Not only the regional inhabitants, but the residents of FCT were on one. So, what FCT is for all. And by the grace of God, if I'm asked to come to FCT, whether you are from Kano, you are from Borno, you are from Enugu, you are from Cross River, we are all one. Everybody will be treated justice, equity, and fairness.
Thank you. Let's talk to
landlord. Well, thank you very much. This is a defining moment in the history of the Federal Capital Territory. We want to thank the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank the Vice President who came to ensure that an SPT individual was nominated to serve in the Federal Executive Council. Indeed, you are aware that this has always been my legislative agenda, right from when I was in the House of Representatives, right from 2003 to date. And when ministerialists were brought, when I was member of the Senate in 2011, I mentioned it, I moved motions, I also did the same. In 2015, motions. In 2019, I did the same thing. And interestingly, you may wish to recollect that even when we tried politically, it didn't work. We tried all sorts of lobbying, it didn't work. We had to resort to even asking that the constitution be amended. And even when it was not amended, you may wish to remember that I walked out of the Senate in that regard, and I was really angry and I felt very bad. But I want to say that today, all that we have learned, he himself, with all the motions, he also goes in the House of Representatives. It has come to fruition. And I want to say that since the advent of democracy, since 1999, President Tinubu is the one who has recognized the people of the FCT and has ensured that they have a voice at the national level. We have always said that we want inclusion and want to be part of whatever that happens at the highest level of decision making in this country. And since it has happened, I cannot but only say a very big thank you to President Bola Ahmed Ashwaju, the President and Commander-in-Chief of Nigeria. This is indeed bipartisan. This is indeed heartwarming for the entire residents of the FCT, including everybody that resides here, including the indigenous, non-indigenous. This, I don't even know how to say it. I want to say that we're extremely very happy and history has been made, and that's why I came here to ensure that history is made in my presence, because this is happening in my lifetime. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.